Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think say Jesus I get all of the praise where him forget from you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, go and go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 12 to verse 17. Then Jesus go in a God's house and start fling out all of the people them with it in there, a sell and a buy. The people them with it a change out money. Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all with it dead a sell dove. Him say to them say, it right down in a God word say, for me house, I go be one house where people come for pray. But uno turn it in a one hideout for thief. Blind and crippled people come to Jesus in a yard where God house there, and him get them better. But when the head priest and law teacher them see the miracle them where him do, and hear the picnic them in a yard where God house there, a ball out say praise him, make we praise David picnic. Them begs can't done. And then say to Jesus, say, you hear what them a say? So Jesus say, yeah man, you're not reading a God word. Say, he make picnic and little baby praise him. Oh, him forget praise. And when he left them, him come out of the town, go Bethany and Tande for the night. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.